So hi everyone, my name is Faye and I'm one of the instructors at Para Computers. I train in the data analysis sector, and today I want to talk about Excel as a productive tool for everyday solution in every area of life.
So today we'll be starting the Excel tutorials, and this one I'll start with the fundamentals. So first is to launch the Excel app. So the moment you launch Excel, this is a landing page. Okay, and here you have the option to either launch a blank workbook or to pick from the templates. Okay, so now I'm going to launch the blank workbook. So here you are, Excel. As you can see, Excel is made up of columns and rows. These alphabets here are the different columns. So for instance, right now we're on column N, column M, column H, and so on, while these are the rows. So you're on row 1, row 2. These intersections, each of these small boxes are called cells. And here is a box in column F and row 3. So this cell is called cell F3. You can see that displayed in the name box. This area is called your name box. Okay, now apart from the default name given to each of those boxes, you can also name them specifically. So for instance, if instead of having this as just H7, and I want to name this like the total or grand total. So anybody knows that this cell is a grand total. You can also name a group of cells or a range of adjacent cells. So if this whole cell, I can name it boundary. Okay, so note where we have it from B2 to G13. Okay, B2, I just want to note it from where to G13. So if I name this the boundary, for instance, okay, so at any point, if I come to select that same portion of cells, we are going to see the name will be displayed. Can you see that? Now, the next thing to note is, as it is typical of any book to have various pages, but here in Excel, we don't call them pages, we call them sheets. Okay, so this is sheet 1, the first sheet by default. This is sheet 2. You keep adding to the sheets by clicking on this plus sign. Okay, you can have as many sheets as you want, and you can name this, you can name them, you can give them any arbitrary name. For instance, instead of just having sheet 1, I would right click and rename it as maybe student database, for instance, student database. Okay, and then instead of just having sheet 2, I want this to be the payment record. Okay, while sheet 3 can be trainers info. All right, so let's go back to the sheet 1, that's the student database. Another thing you will want to note is you can zoom this page. Okay, if you want it to be bolder for readability, you can use this scroll bar here, either zoom in or out to get a preferred style. Okay,